Everyone wants to get rich from stocks, fast. But here's the problem. Fast money usually means high risk. So, what's the quickest and safest way to build real wealth in the stock market? Today, we'll reveal what AI says is the fastest and safest way to get rich from stocks. This is a proven game plan to maximize your gains while protecting your downside. Before we begin, we want to remind you that this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Stick around until the end to learn the exact strategy that even billionaires use to get rich with stocks. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more powerful investing insights every week. Now let's look at the different strategies provided by AI. Strategy number 1. Growth stocks with moats. If you want to grow wealth quickly and safely, you must invest in high-growth stocks with strong competitive advantages. Think Amazon, Nvidia, and Tesla, companies that dominate their industries and keep innovating. But don't just buy any growth stock. Look for businesses with consistent revenue growth, strong balance sheets, and a clear competitive moat that protects them from rivals. Strategy number 2. Follow the big market trends. The biggest fortunes are built by riding unstoppable trends before the crowd catches on. Right now, these industries are booming artificial intelligence or AI, with investments to consider like Nvidia and Palantir, semiconductors with investments to consider like AMD and ASML, renewable energy and EVs with investments to consider like Tesla and Enphase, and cloud computing with investments to consider like Amazon and Microsoft. Investing early in market-dominating stocks within these trends could 10x or even 100x your portfolio over time. Strategy number 3, swing trading and momentum investing. Want to make money faster? Then consider momentum investing or swing trading. This means buying into stocks that are already trending upward. But beware, this isn't gambling. Follow these key rules. Set stop losses to protect your downside. Use technical indicators like moving averages and RSI, and don't chase hype. Buy strong stocks in strong uptrends. Strategy number 4, leveraged ETFs. For those who can handle more risk, leveraged ETFs like TQQQ can triple your gains when the Nasdaq is rising. But caution, these are not long-term investments. Use them only in bullish markets, or they can wipe out your gains just as fast. Strategy number 5, small-cap stocks, commonly referred to as hidden gems. Some of the biggest stock market winners start as small-cap stocks. For example, Celsius Holdings, ticker CLH, was once a tiny company before skyrocketing. Look for undervalued small-cap stocks with massive growth potential, strong leadership, and disruptive business models. These can turn small investments into life-changing wealth. Strategy number 6, options trading. Want to amplify your returns even more? Options trading can help if you know what you're doing. Buying call options on stocks you believe in and selling covered calls for passive income are 2 strategies. But be warned, options trading is risky. If you're a beginner, it's best to stick to stocks until you gain more experience. Strategy number 7. The easiest way billionaires build wealth. So, what's the safest and most effective way to build life-changing wealth? Buy high-quality stocks and let compounding do the work. If you invested $10,000 in Amazon in 2000, you'd have over $5 million today without doing anything but holding. This is why legendary investors like Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and Peter Lynch focused on buying and holding great companies for decades. Now, if you want to learn how to build life-changing wealth, click on one of the 2 videos now appearing on your screen. Go ahead and click on one now to continue your exciting and enriching investment journey.